we're going to go down the death. Yeah, we're going to there you go, Sam just died. I don't want to use that, so I'm going to click Browse. I want him to say Toasty. Toasty! There we go. .ogg is used volumetric, so make sure it only stays as volumetric. If you want him to say more than one single line, click the plus line and you can plus button, and you can apply more sounds. You'd have as many as you want, and they will cycle randomly, and it's always a chance of which one you'll get. This adds a great variety to a character, so having more than one death sound, pain sound is amazing. When you're done with that, just press Ctrl S, it will save your model, your scheme, and your sound schemes. If you ever want to create a blue, red, and normal variation of a character, here's what you do. You go back into Model Editor, Mesh Editor, click Base Texture. I've already prepared one, a very quick one, mind you. Whoops, wrong texture. I prepared a red texture. Looks like crap, I didn't even try. So go to File, Save As, and save it as 60Zac Red. The reason we're saving it as a separate file is, well, I'll show you. So we go to our Serious Sam file, we go to Models, Player, and we see we have SSHD here. So we're going to see we have Content / Serious Sam 3 Models Player SSHD. We're going to copy that. In the description, I'm going to supply a .info for you. So we're going to use Coco. I'm going to use this one. The name is pretty self-explanatory. After the equals, type in the name of your character. So I'm going to go SSHD. The description is the tagline that appears underneath the character. You know, for example, one of the characters has the model formerly known as Sam. I'm going to make this I'm so damn sexy, because I'm so damn sexy. That will now appear underneath Zach's 3D image when you try to choose him in the character select. Remember that link we copied earlier? This is where it comes in handy. Here is the URL, the target address that points towards where your model is located. If you paste that in there, and we should probably / is appropriate, you know. I actually type mine in manually, but you might want to just do copy paste. I don't care what you do really. SSHD, and make sure it points to sexyzac.model or whatever the hell you named your model. And since he's already blue, I didn't make a blue variation, so I'm just going to copy this, paste it there. And I'm going to paste it on model red as well. I'll tell you why right now. You just write red in. That makes it so much easier instead of naming it something complicated. You can just copy and paste the address and just type in 3 or 4 letters and you're done. Now you're probably thinking, is that all? Well, not really. I'm going to save this. I'm going to save it as the exact same name that the file you saved it is. I'm going to save it as SSHD. Except for some reason it decided to go inside the file. Whatever. Yeah, you get the point. So you save it. The best way to do it instead of saving is probably make a copy and paste and just rename it. But you do what you want. It's easy and self-explanatory. And when you grow it up, if you need to learn how to make a .grow, I won't teach you. Look on the Seriously forums; they will teach you themselves. There's a tutorial there, I believe. If not, ask some of the members. I'm sure they'll be happy to tell you. But just make sure that you include the .nfo and the actual file. Without it, the character won't be able to be run. So inside this file, I haven't got them, but you need to make sure you have your textures, your character sounds, your character models, and outside have your NFO, and with that, it should run perfectly. If it doesn't, you've obviously messed up somewhere, so make sure you did everything the way it was meant to be. That's it for this tutorial. I might make more later on to teach them more specific things about character creation, but for now, I think that should do you. If you have any questions, please come on Seriously forums and I'll do the best I can to help you. I'm Pan. Thanks a lot, guys.